I'm going to shake my head around really hard. And they are not coming out. These are the brand new Airpods 4. These literally came out last week and I got them in the mail today. So I want to do a quick unboxing for you, show you what comes in the package, and I'm going to give you my very first impressions as I put them in my ears. Before this, I've only had the first generation Airpods, the ones that came out, I don't know, feels like almost 10 years ago now, probably less. But in here we have a very small little case. There we go. It's the same material that you're used to with all the AirPods cases, and it has a USB-C on the bottom. You can see that it also has these speaker holes because you can use the Find My app on your iPhone to make the actual case beep and not just the headphones themselves. You can see we have this white status light on the outside, and then the AirPods, which are very small and have no silicone. So these are not like the AirPods Pro. These are actually more similar to the first generation. Oop, already dropped it. These are more similar to the first generation AirPods in the sense that they just fit right into your ears. There's no silicone at all. So let's try them on. Okay, so they're in my ears right now. You can see they are very small in size. They do have a little click on both of them to change the various noise cancellation modes. And they're pretty comfy. I'm going to shake my head around really hard. And they are not coming out. So this is good. First impressions are nice. I'm going to let them charge, listen to a bunch of music, listen to some podcasts on Spotify, and then I will do another video to show you how these are. But in terms of noise cancellation, they're already making everything much